Creating something truly special takes skill, passion, and attention to detail. Let's take you behind the scenes of how we crafted these custom VIP models. For this project, we built 30cm miniatures of a ship and cars, complete with LED lighting to make them stand out. Every piece was carefully designed and assembled to perfection. First, we create a solid foundation. The base is designed, shaped, and painted to give it that premium, high-quality finish. Next up, 3D printing. Using high-precision resin printing, we bring the intricate details to life, making sure every curve and edge is just right. Now, let's add some magic. The LED lighting system is carefully wired, along with a rechargeable battery and power button for that perfect glow. Once the parts are ready, it's time for painting. Every small piece is carefully airbrushed and hand-painted for a smooth, realistic finish. The ship parts go through a detailed painting process to match the real-life vessel's colors and textures. The cars also get their turn. We use an intricate layering technique to ensure they look sleek and lifelike. Before full assembly, we do a test fitting. This step makes sure that all the acrylic windows and components fit together perfectly. Now, the ship is ready for its final assembly. Every piece is carefully placed onto its custom platform, bringing it one step closer to completion. Every detail counts. We add the final touches to the ship, making sure it looks as stunning as possible. For the finishing touch, we add decals and LED lighting to the cars, making them even more realistic and eye-catching. And there you have it. From concept to completion, this is how we create custom VIP gifting models, combining precision, creativity, and craftsmanship to make unforgettable keepsakes.